Okay, let's go to next question. Next question is question 6. Okay, so question 6, let's go up. Yeah, question 6 says, of the 496 patients attending for surgical procedures over a period of 1 month, 327 require aftercare from a community or practice nurse. What percentage do not need aftercare? Okay, so what you have is no aftercare divided by the total, and then you multiply by 100 over 1. Very important to do this at the very beginning, because you know exactly what data you need. So when you look into back into the question, you are trying to find to extract this data, these numbers here. Okay, so obviously you can also appreciate why one of the things you need English in order for you to qualify for nursing courses, because you need to read this information and then extract what is relevant and then use it to solve whatever problem you've been asked. So the problem here is to find the percentage of no aftercare. So you need to pick the right numbers. Right, so in total, there are 496. So 496, that's the total. But we need to take away those who actually needed aftercare. So 327, these needed aftercare. Okay, so take away from this total, we should have the number which we need on top. So 6 take away 7 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from here, and then you are left with 8. That one becomes 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 take away 7 is 9. And then you have 8 remaining. 8 take away 2 is going to be 6. Yeah, and then you have 4. 4 take away 3 is going to be 1. So 169 did not need aftercare, because these needed aftercare, but these ones didn't. So then we are going to put these numbers, this number into our formula at the top. So we have 169 divided by the total. The total is 496, and then you multiply by 100. Okay, so let's see if there's any number that can go in. So start with a smaller number. So we have 2 here, can go here is 2. 2 into 9 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and 9 take away 8 is 1. You drop 6, so into 8 into 16 is 8. And 2 here is going to be 5, and 2 here is going to be 0. You can divide by 2 again. So 2, 1, 1 into 2, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 8 is 4. And then 2 into 5 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 5 take away 4 is 1, and the 2 into 10 is 5. Okay, is there a number that can go in here and in there? The answer is definitely no. We can see any number. Okay, so what do we have? We're going to have this multiplied by that. So let's create that. Okay, so we have 25. 169 times 25. And we're going to divide it by this. So let's find this number here first. Okay, so we need to multiply by 25. Okay, let's see what we get. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 4 can be 4. Should be 5 there, not 4. Okay, that's 45. So 30. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then 2 times 9 is 18. So we write 8, we keep 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1 we kept is 13. And 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is. So I add this. Yeah, let me take this. So remember, I'm going to divide by 134. 124. So let me put it here. 2124. That's all I need to use to divide it. So let me add this. So I have 5. 8 plus 4 is 12. I put 2, I keep 1. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 1, 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so this is the number I need. Okay, so now I'm going to have this number divided by this number. Okay, so I have 4, 2, 2, 5. Too much patient. 1, 2, 4. Okay, so that's the number I need. Okay, so that's 4, 2, 2, 5. I'm going to divide by 1, 2, 4. Okay, right. So 1, 2, 4 can't go into 42. So I'm going to take 1, 4, 2, 2. So 1, 4, 2, 2. Okay, I'll try 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. So I have 3, 7, 2. If I subtract this, so 2 take away 2 is 0. 2 take away 7 is not possible. So I'm going to borrow 1 from here. I'm left with 3. That one becomes 10. 10 plus 7. So 10 plus 2 is going to 12. 12 take away 7 is going to be 5. Okay, I'm going to drop 5. Then I'm going to see 124 into 505. So I'll try. I can see here 372 was 3. If I add 2 more, it's going to be too much, okay? Because it's going to be 3 times 372, 372, so come to 6 something. So I'll try 2. Let's see, 2. No, this was 3. So if it was 3, 3 was 3,000. Yeah, 4. Not going downwards. So I'll try 4. Okay, 4 there. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so I subtract 5, take away 6. It's not possible. I need to borrow 1 from here, but there's nothing here. It's 0. So I'm going to go here and borrow 1. So I'm left with 4. I take 1 to here, it becomes 10. And I borrow 1 here, there's 9 to be left. And that one becomes 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 take away 6 is going to be 9. 9 take away 9 is 0. 4 take away 4 is 0. So 124 into 9 can't go, so it's going to be a decimal point. And I add 0. 124 into there can't go in. Okay, so I need to add another 0. And then, so this is 0. And then 124 into 900. So I know 4 was 496. If I double that, it's going to be over this. So I'll try 1 less. So if I double 4 is 8, 1 less is 7. So 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. So I write 6, keep 1. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 0 take away 8 is not possible. I need to borrow 1. Now there's nothing here, so I'm going to borrow from here. So I'll remain with 8. I borrowed 1, this becomes 10 here, and then I'm going to borrow 1 from there, so there's 9 left. That one becomes 10. 10 take away 8 is going to be 2. 9 take away 6 is going to be 3. Okay, I'm going to add another 0 here, yeah, which is going to be 320. If I go here, 3, so it's going to be 2. So the answer is going to be 34.07 to 2 decimal places. Okay. All right.